What's up, guys? How you all doing? Trust you guys are doing well. Today, I know my last video, I know I was also driving. Today I'm also driving doing this content, but this video is going to be very short anyway. It's just to give my advice to like international students coming into the States who are planning to want to get social security number. Yeah, I have a video in the past that I talked about how to go about it, making sure you have a job offer before you apply for your social security number. But then somebody asked me questions that is it possible for them to apply for the social security number like a few days when they arrive, maybe like 5 days, 6 days, if they are able to get a job offer quickly. And my advice is that don't apply for it. At least wait for 10 to 15 days before you apply for your SSN. And the reason is that when you come into the country, you want to give a little time for your information to circulate within the appropriate authority that are supposed to have your information. Yeah, like the immigration already have your information immediately you land or you at the point of entry. But you want to allow them to also pass that information to all the appropriate quarters of the country so that they have it. You don't want to go to the social security office or building and they don't have your information intact. So give 10 to 15 days before you apply for it, and I'm sure by then they would have have it. In my own case, the job offer I got, I think I got it after 2 weeks of landing here or so, doing the paperwork and everything, and I was able to apply for my social security and it was sent to me. So that's what I feel like I should share with you guys today. Somebody asked me the question and I feel that why not do a content about it, even though it's going to be very short, but I still believe that it's going to be very educative to international student coming into the United States. And if you are also an international student that you want to stay in the country, it's also good that you have it, because I remember during one of my interview I met one international student, a lady from France, and she was here for her undergrad and she did not even have social security number. And the prospective employer was asking us, do we have social security card? And she said she doesn't have it, but she's going to apply for it when she's applying for her OPT. So if you have opportunity of getting it before you finish your course or your program, try and get it. So that's what I feel I should share with you guys today. Thanks for watching, and please give this video a like. Also drop a comment below this video. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.